the ultimate guide to planning a budget-friendly wedding. Hey there, brides on a journey. Welcome back to the Wedding Love Journey, your wedding channel. So, let's dive right in. But before we jump into our fantastic ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our upcoming wedding tips and tricks. We're here to help you plan your wedding journey without emptying your wallet. Planning a wedding can be one of the most exciting and rewarding experiences of your life. But it can also be one of the most expensive. There are plenty of ways to save money without sacrificing style or elegance. In this ultimate guide to budget-friendly wedding planning, we'll share our top tips and tricks for cutting costs and making the most of your wedding budget. Choosing the right venue. When it comes to planning a budget-friendly wedding, one of the biggest decisions you'll make is choosing the right venue. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Consider non-traditional venues. They offer couples the opportunity to personalize their special day in unique and memorable settings. Here are some details about non-traditional wedding venues, including parks, community centers, and private homes. Parks provide a natural and picturesque backdrop for outdoor weddings. They often feature beautiful landscapes, gardens, and scenic views. Couples can exchange vows under a gazebo, by a lake, or surrounded by trees and flowers. Parks usually offer open spaces for setting up ceremony and reception areas. Some parks may require permits for hosting events, so it's essential to check with local authorities beforehand. Community centers. Community centers are versatile spaces that can be transformed into wedding venues. They typically have ample indoor space for hosting both the ceremony and reception. Community centers may have a main hall, smaller rooms for more intimate gatherings, and amenities like kitchens, restrooms, and parking facilities. Couples can decorate these spaces according to their theme and preferences, making them suitable for various wedding styles. Private homes. Hosting a wedding at a private home adds a personal touch to the celebration. It could be the couple's own residence, a family member's house, or even a rented property. Private homes offer intimacy and flexibility in terms of decor and setup. They can accommodate smaller guest lists, creating a cozy and intimate atmosphere. However, it's important to consider factors such as parking, accessibility, and the capacity of the space. Beaches. Beaches are popular non-traditional wedding venues, particularly for couples who enjoy the sun, sand, and ocean. They provide a relaxed and casual ambience, perfect for beach-themed or destination weddings. Ceremonies can take place on the sandy shores, with the sounds of crashing waves in the background. Some beaches may have regulations or permit requirements, so it's crucial to research local guidelines and consider weather conditions. Barns and farms. Rustic weddings have gained popularity, making barns and farms ideal non-traditional venues. These venues offer a charming, country-inspired setting, often with beautiful landscapes and rustic architecture. Barns can provide indoor spaces for ceremonies and receptions, while farms may have outdoor areas for tent setups. Couples can incorporate elements like hay bales, string lights, and floral arrangements to enhance the natural and rustic feel. When choosing a non-traditional wedding venue, couples should consider factors such as budget, logistics, guest capacity, and any additional requirements specific to the venue. It's advisable to communicate with venue owners or managers to discuss available amenities, restrictions, and any necessary permits to ensure a smooth and successful wedding celebration. Look for venues that offer package deals or discounts for off-peak seasons. When planning a budget-friendly wedding, one useful tip is to search for venues that provide package deals or discounts specifically for off-peak seasons. Here are some additional details to consider. Venue selection. Look for venues that are flexible in their pricing options and are willing to offer package deals. These packages may include various services such as catering, decorations, and audio-visual equipment at a bundled price, which can often be more cost-effective compared to booking each service individually. Off-peak seasons. Off-peak seasons typically refer to times of the year when there is less demand for weddings, such as weekdays or certain months that are not traditionally popular for weddings. Many venues offer discounted rates during these periods to attract more bookings. By choosing an off-peak season for your wedding, you can take advantage of these reduced prices. Cost savings. Booking a venue that offers package deals or discounts during off-peak seasons can help you save money in multiple ways. Firstly, the overall price is often lower due to the bundled services or reduced rates. Secondly, you can negotiate additional discounts or perks by leveraging the fact that you are booking during a less busy period. Availability and flexibility. During peak wedding seasons, popular venues may have limited availability or require bookings well in advance. However, during off-peak seasons, you may have more options and greater flexibility in terms of dates and times. This can allow you to choose a convenient schedule and potentially secure the venue at short notice. Research and communication. To find venues that offer package deals or discounts for off-peak seasons, it's essential to conduct thorough research. Visit wedding planning websites, reach out to local wedding planners, or directly contact venues to inquire about their pricing policies and any available promotions. Effective communication with the venue staff will help you negotiate the best possible deal. By exploring venues that provide package deals or discounts for off-peak seasons, you can significantly reduce the cost of your wedding venue while still enjoying a memorable and budget-friendly celebration. Thirdly, negotiate with venues to see if they can lower their prices. Or ask for freebies. Finding affordable catering options. Food and drink can be some of the most expensive parts of a wedding. But there are ways to cut costs without sacrificing quality. Here's what to consider. Choose a caterer that offers affordable packages or a la carte options. Or consider alternatives to traditional sit-down meals, like buffet-style or family-style dining. Another one is to limit the number of courses or dishes to keep costs down. DIY decor and invitations. One of the best ways to save money on a wedding is by doing things yourself. Here are some DIY ideas for decor and invitations. Create your own centerpieces using flowers, candles, or other inexpensive materials. Make your own wedding invitations using online templates or printable designs. You can check out platforms that offer printables like Etsy and Zazzle. Check link in description below. Use recycled materials or repurpose items you already have for a unique and eco-friendly touch. Planning a budget-friendly wedding can be challenging. But with the right mindset and strategies, it's definitely doable. If you're looking to save money on venue, catering, decor, or other aspects of your wedding, there are plenty of tips and tricks to help you stay within your budget. So go ahead and start planning your dream wedding today. I also leave the link for wedding budgeting tools you can use in the below description. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to share, like and comment anything about your wedding below. Subscribe to Wedding Love Journey for more wedding tips and tricks. We love to hear from you. Until next time, and stay adventurous and keep on chasing those unforgettable memories. Cheers.